What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your KS1 shelf for your Z-Style or X-Style keyboard stands. This shelf will convert your single or double tier X-Style or Z-Style keyboard stand into a DJ table. So here I have two X-Style keyboard stands with the single tier over here and the double tier right here. So to set it onto the single tier stand, we're going to use the opening here on the bottom of the shelf and just line it up to the arms here on the stand. And from there we can place any equipment on top of our shelf. And you'll also notice these openings here which we can use for our cables if they fit. Now if your stand was a little wider like so, you could still fit the shelf onto the stand by using the opening here in the center as well as the openings on the sides. So for example, I can use the side opening for this arm here and then use the main section to place the rest of the shelf down. Now you can also fit the shelf onto your double tier keyboard stand, but we recommend placing the shelf onto the second tier so it's more sturdy. But the same principles apply for this type of setup, so you're going to use the openings here on the back of the shelf, line it up to the arms of the second tier, place it down, and just like that we've made a DJ table out of our 2-tier keyboard stand. The cool thing about this setup is that we have the first tier available for anything like a keyboard, while we use the second tier for our equipment. You'll also notice we have all these openings here on the shelf so we can fit our wires through if they fit. And whenever you're ready to pack up, you're just gonna lift the shelf up, and just like that, it easily comes off of the stand. So here I have both a single tier and a double tier Z-Style keyboard stand. To fit it onto the single tier stand, I'm going to use the opening here in the center of my shelf, line it up to the arms of the stand, place it down, and just like that, I've turned the keyboard stand into a DJ table. Now, if you have your keyboard stand a bit wider, you can still use the main section here or the additional openings here on the side. Now, we can also fit the shelf onto the double tier stand, but we recommend placing it on the top tier so the shelf is sturdy. So for that, you're going to follow the same principle by lining up the inside of the shelf to the top arms here. And just like that, we've made the second tier of the keyboard stand into a DJ table. Now, the cool thing about this setup is that we still have the bottom tier available to place our keyboards while we place our equipment onto the shelf. And you'll also notice these openings here which we can use for our cables if they fit. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your KS1 shelf for your Z-Style or X-Style keyboard stand. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.